Hello guys, versus G here, and today I have an unboxing of Ajazz AK18 headsets. That's what I think it's called. Right next to it stands my new keyboard I bought. Well, I'm gonna check it. So this is been a week from China, and China to UK usually takes 2 weeks, so that was some fast delivery, guys. And sorry about that. Didn't really take that long. Hopefully you can like less details. So yeah, this guy fits it like this. Like fit some goody things on it. Could have got stolen. Well, you had to sign for this if you wanted it. So yeah. So envelope's really light, but the item is in bubble wrap, and you can see a lot of bubble wrap. And there is in the box. So here's the box. It's in a polyethylene or some sort of bag. Take this off. And here it is, the Ajazz AK18. So you can see here, you get a picture of the card box. Here's the back. So far as I know, there's no like YouTube videos of this, so it's usually the first one. Hopefully you guys like it. You're gonna open it up like this, and then this is how it looks in the inside. You have to pull it out, so I'm gonna pull it out. Oops, something fell. Instruction manual. So here's the instruction manual, all in Chinese stuff here. Don't know what it really says. Here's how the headsets look, and I'll put it on and I'll show you the microphone and all that.